Okay, let's make some gingerbread muffins. So that's 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of ground cloves. And then just whisk that together and set it aside, and put 2/3 cup of packed light brown sugar. Is what I use there. You can use dark brown sugar too. It doesn't matter to me. And then I put 2/3 cup of molasses in there. And it took a while to get that molasses in there. And I washed out my molasses measuring cup with 2/3 cup of boiling water. And that's 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And mix that all together. Beat it all up. And then after you get that beat up, well, you can add an egg to it. I probably should have cracked that egg into a bowl to make sure I didn't get any shells or anything in there, but I didn't get any shells in there, so I guess it's okay. And just beat that all up like so until it's nice and incorporated. Of course, you don't want to cook your eggs, so that's why I beat all of it up first. And then add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and beat that all up like that until it's nice and incorporated as well. Be nice and smooth. It smells nice. And then add that to your muffin cups. And maybe use a spoon to stop it from, so you don't dribble it all over everything. And just fill your muffin cups. It's about 2 tablespoons of batter, I guess. And then bake them for about 25 minutes until they crack on top. And those turned out pretty good.